Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best knife set on the market, the Amorston 15-piece kitchen knife set. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cooking enthusiast, this set is designed to elevate your culinary experience with precision, durability, and style. Right off the bat, what sets this knife set apart is the use of premium German 1.4116 high-carbon stainless steel. This material is renowned for its outstanding sharpness and rust-resistant qualities, making these knives not only ultra-sharp but also incredibly durable. Each blade undergoes exclusive patented anti-rust technology, ensuring that even after repeated use and washing, especially in dishwashers, they maintain their pristine condition without dulling or corroding. The set includes an impressive variety of knives to cover all your kitchen needs. From an 8-inch chef knife, slicing knife, and santoku knife, to an 8-inch serrated bread knife, 5-inch utility fillet knife, 3.5-inch paring knife, and 6 4.5-inch serrated steak knives, this collection is truly all-encompassing. To top it off, you get a pair of kitchen shears and a beautifully designed black hardwood knife block that not only stores your knives safely but also features a built-in sharpener. This built-in sharpener means your knives can always be kept razor sharp without the hassle of extra tools. Ergonomics were clearly a priority in the design of these knives. The handles are made from polypropylene and shaped to fit comfortably in any hand, whether left or right, big or small. This attention to handle design ensures you get a secure, comfortable grip that makes cutting effortless and safe, helping you perform precise cuts with confidence and ease. Another major advantage is that these knives have been tested rigorously for dishwasher safety. Each knife passed a 999 cycle dishwasher test. This means they can withstand intense rinsing without losing quality, which is a huge time saver for busy kitchens. No need to worry about damaging your investment by cleaning them the easy way. The Amorston knife set is also an excellent gift option. Its elegant and modern design, combined with outstanding craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology, makes it the highest-grade choice for any culinary lover. Plus, the set is backed by a lifetime warranty, demonstrating the brand's confidence in its quality and durability. In terms of weight, the entire set weighs just under 7 pounds, striking a balance between solid feel and manageable handling. The forged construction ensures that each knife is balanced perfectly for professional use, while the plain blade edges give you clean and precise cuts every time. In conclusion, if you're looking for a comprehensive, high-quality knife set that combines German steel craftsmanship, dishwasher safety, ergonomic comfort, and a built-in sharpener, the Amorston 15-piece kitchen knife set stands out as the best choice. It's more than just a tool set. It's a kitchen companion designed to help you enjoy cooking and achieve professional results every day. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.